Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself supersonic rubber band whip. I went to Staples and I picked up number 84 rubber bands. They're very thick, very strong, so I would recommend these. You can use small rubber bands, I suppose, but I don't think you're going to get the power that you need unless you use the very thick, large rubber bands. You will need to take 2 rubber bands per link. Attach the links with 2 rubber bands in the center between each one. You will need a total of 5 links. Then you can use string, or you can use, I've used like a small rope with a frayed end. Now this frayed end is the part that will reach Mach 1, breaking the sound barrier. I've tied a knot above the fray so it won't continue to fray. You can take the rope, and you don't have to tie it tightly. You can tie it fairly loose to the rubber band, which will give it extra snapping power. So you can put it there and then tie it in a little knot so that there's a little bit of maneuver room between the rope and the rubber band itself, like that. Okay? Now each time you fling it, it may not break the sound barrier, but it is possible to break the sound barrier with this. It just depends on how hard you shoot it. And of course, sometimes the angle you shoot it at. Maybe the string doesn't whip around and snap the way it should, but I mean, you get the idea. Let's try it out. I like to hold it by the first knot between the first and second link. Pull it back and fire. The snapping pop sound you hear is it breaking the sound barrier. Be sure not to fire this at animals or other people, because it can cause injury. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.